This week, I visited an urban farmer in Prague, Czech Republic, who gave me some insights on how they are remodeling a natural heritage site with the help of livestock. In Prague, we have a valley called Prokopské údolí, and in the past it was being grazed by all sorts of animals, as was normal for that time. But due to urbanization and blah blah blah, seeing animals graze somewhere became a rare occurrence, which isn't good for some places such as this valley. With the lack of grazing animals, all sorts of bushes and shrubs overtook the natural grassland, which led to a steep decline in biodiversity. Reason for that is that bushes don't really allow for any plant growth beneath them since there is no light, and due to this lack of plants, only a scarce amount of animals view the bushes as their habitat, but virtually no insects, no birds, only wild hogs, for example. So what this farmer is now trying to do is that he has a herd of 40 animals, mostly goats but also some sheep, and this herd is now grazing in the valley, and the goal is to decimate the bushes so that a grassland with high biodiversity, such as the one in the video, can prevail. The reason why he has a mixed herd is because goats go primarily after the bushes and sheep take care of the rest of the stuff, but goats, as he told me, really prefer to nibble on the bush bark or the tree bark and stuff, and there is a noticeable difference in terms of the bush population in the grazed and ungrazed areas. What do you think about this strategy? Is there anything you could recommend him to aid with this goal? Let me know, and thanks for watching.